Like a lot of other people, quarantine gave me the time and that need for something to do, so I started a vegetable garden with my family. Our first round was in spring, and it was just a bunch of starter plants that I bought at the store, things that the girls would like strawberries and cucumbers and tomatoes. And we got them home, got them planted. Everybody had so much fun digging in the dirt and everything. And with regular watering, they really started to grow, which is when I realized I had no idea what I was doing. So, of course, I turned to the internet and start watching a bunch of videos like every night, diving deep into the gardening rabbit hole. And that's when I realized, like, okay, like this, I think this is my new thing. And so using those tips that I learned online, by midsummer, our garden was booming. I mean, some of our tomatoes were like 8 feet tall. The girls were having so much fun picking them fresh daily, like strawberries and cucumbers, and watching them grow and getting excited about the process. Watering and being out there and pruning and doing all the stuff that we had to do to take care of the garden, I think was also really fun for them because that meant Mama was outside in the dirt too. So this gardening excitement, I knew I had to keep it going through the fall, and I was thinking, okay, what can I do? Halloween is coming up. Oh, Halloween, pumpkins. I have to plant a pumpkin patch. So that's what I did. I planted a full-on pumpkin patch in our front yard. It was actually a twist on a Three Sisters garden. So we did corn, sunflowers, and pumpkins. From the corn, we got 38 ears of corn, and it was so much fun picking and cooking those with the kids. And then the sunflowers were really just ornamental, and those were to provide like a lot of food for the birds and the bees. And then the pumpkins, I did 4 different varieties. All of the stuff I started from seed, which was also super rewarding. And just seeing, you know, them grow from start to finish, being able to talk about it with the neighbors walking by. I mean, everybody just had so much fun. And when I started this whole thing, I could have never imagined the consistent joy and excitement that it would bring into our family. And so now I'm just hooked for life. Like any good gardener, I started saving my seeds, and, you know, they just ended up in plastic baggies or, you know, off on the side of one of my tables here. And I knew I really wanted to create a cute way to store them, like save them, but then to also give out to my friends and family. So I've partnered with Canon to be able to bring you this adorable free printable seed packet design that you can print as many times as you want and save your own homegrown seeds in them, write little notes about them, print an adorable picture of your plant, put it right on the front, and then you can gift or save your seeds in style. Okay, I've got my trusty gardening overalls on and I'm ready to make some crafts. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is stop by my website and scroll to the end of the post so that you can download my free printable file. You'll do that by clicking on the graphic, and then once the printable comes up, you can save it to your phone or choose to save it to your computer. Next, we're going to print the design using your favorite Canon printer. I'm using my brand new TS8620, which is an awesome multitasker. It's perfect for craft projects and home office stuff and basically everything in between. I love how easy it is to print just straight from my phone. Check this out. All I have to do is open up my Canon print app and then click Document Print. From there, I'll just locate my file, click Next. The app already sees my printer, and then I just click Print. It's that easy. You can feel free to print this design on any lighter color paper that you'd like. Here, I've done a couple variations for the different seeds I'm using. So this step is totally optional, but ends up being a really nice touch. You can score along the fold lines of the packet so that when you actually fold them, it has a really nice crisp line. Then we're gonna cut them out. Super simple, right? Next, we can add any notes and then the date of harvest for the seeds that will go in each packet. So this is my favorite part. Usually every seed packet has a picture of the plant right on the front, and so I've added my own personal photo using my adorable Canon Ivy and the brand new pre-cut circle stickers. Alright, I'm going to open up my Canon Mini Print app and click on the pre-cut circle sticker option. I've already put my gardening photos in a Google folder, so I'll access them through the app and click to add each one into the circle template. Then I can click the edit button to add text to my photo, which for this I'm going to add the type of plant it is. In this case it's pumpkin, the fairy tale type. So I'm going to actually print 2 of the same photos because I have a lot of these seeds to gift. When I'm happy with how the text looks, then I'm just going to click print and check it out. Here they come. These stickers are the best. My kids love them. They're actually really sticky, which makes them great for all types of craft projects. So now we'll add each little photo sticker onto the front of the seed packets. And from here, it's super easy to assemble. Just a little bit of hot glue on each flap. Make sure to hold until cool. And I mean, gosh, I'm just in love with these. So the last step is to simply fill your packets with seeds and seal the top with hot glue. I cannot wait to give these out to my friends and family because they're just so cute, and I hope that means I will see more pumpkin patches this fall. Here's to hoping that you guys enjoy this free printable as much as I do.